Hey.
Hi.
Hey. Hi.
Okay.
Again? You do it.
Come on over here.
Hey. Hey.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay.
Again?
So yeah, here we are. This has been a long time in the making.
Hey.
I mean, obviously I'm not what you expected, but you know, I have to apologize to you for that. I had just some issues with myself. I wasn't comfortable with myself. I just didn't know if you would accept me.
Okay.
This is me.
Mommy,
Mama?
Mama, do it.
You know, everything I've told you is me.
Your mama?